Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Tech. This is the new Oneplus Motor Vibration Enhancement Rebirth Edition mod by developers, ported for all Snapdragon 8 Gen series OnePlus devices. This is just a demo of Haptics after installation of this Android mod on my OnePlus 12R, which is running with OxygenOS 16. I got the new vibration motor haptic feedback which truly amazed me. This is new OnePlus Motor Vibration Enhancement Rebirth Edition mod by developers which will give your OnePlus new high-end 0916 class vibration motor hardware level haptic feedback. With every haptic feedback in your device, you will feel you are pressing the physical buttons and getting the real feedback with every touch. So today in this video, we'll first check out for which system activities you will get this new modified haptic feedback, how to install this mod, how to uninstall, and the precautions to be taken while using this mod. For regular content like such Android mods for all Android devices, please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Now without further delay, let's get started. Let me first tell you for which system activities this new haptic feedback will be available. Later I will tell you how to install this mod. Once you install this mod, you will get the next level of vibration haptic feedback for unlocking your device with fingerprint, PIN or password. It will also work for haptic feedback of volume slider while increasing or decreasing the volume level. It will work for the back gestures and while accessing the recents and the clearing recents application. You'll get the amazing haptic feedback for OnePlus Alert slider modes. It will work for the scrolling feedback at the end of the page or at the top and the bottom for system or user application which supports the haptic feedback. It will give you the next level of haptic feedback for power button. It works for haptic feedback of calculator application. It works for the stock Google keyboard and some other third-party keyboard application, but it needs the default vibration intensity values for setting of the keyboard to make this module work for Gboard or some supported keyboards. This will give you the nice haptic feedback for selection of the text in any application. It works for the brightness slider, long pressing for QS panel or any kind of long press activities supported by haptic feedback. It is working for taking screenshot, for searching application in app drawer with the sliding keywords. It's also working for Google Gemini activation, for vibration feedback of new OxygenOS Game Assistant application, keyboard of the OxygenOS dialer, long press feedback of Google Circle to search in OxygenOS 16, and clearing the notification in notification panel. I can't express how the haptic feedback of the vibration motor feels with this mod because it can only be felt with the touch. But I can say you will absolutely love using your device with this new high-class haptic feedback. Let's check out what are the requirements to use this mod. To use this mod, you need Oppo or OnePlus device which is running with OxygenOS 14 or ColorOS version or any above version, and your device must have 8 Gen series processor and having the vibration motor of class 0809, 0816 and 0916. I have given the list of supported devices in the video description. You can check there if your device is supported or not. Once confirmed, download the Magix module given in the video description and flash it via Magix application. While flashing this mod, it will automatically detect if your device have supported hardware or not. If your device is not supported, it will automatically stop the installation. Our OnePlus 12R is supported, so it will ask you if you need to restore the factory settings of the module or not. Here select the keep old configuration files using volume down key. Next, it will ask you which type of haptic feedback you want to set, like pure grips for best feeling, but we recommend you to use springy grips for good strength and best feedback. So press the volume down or up key as per your choice, and once the module flashing gets done, reboot your device. Once the device boots, you can go to the settings of the device. There search for haptic setting, and here configure the best haptic intensity using the slider control. You can test the new haptic intensity by playing the media in this setting that we showed at the beginning of this video. So you will get an idea how crisp and clear haptic feedback your device will generate with this new mod. If you don't like this mod and want to go back to stock setting, just uninstall the module installed in the Magix module section and reboot your device. While using this mod, you have to take some precautions like do not run the motor calibration in engineering mode while module is active. This may permanently kill the motor. And the next one is you can max out the haptic strength, but if you hear the knocking or buzzing sound, reduce the intensity of haptics little. This is all about for the new class 0916 vibration motor haptic feedback mod, which will definitely force you to use your OnePlus device again and again with the new crisp and clear haptic feedback levels. This is all about for today guys. If you liked our work, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to Android mods for any device. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.